Stand by for court number 6. Stand by for court number 6. Jaden and Kok Jun Sing versus John Tan and Vincent John Rosales. Stand by for court number 8, Bhaskar M. and Alex versus Ron Maranan and JTB. Next players for court number 6, please stand by. Dayton and Hong Jun-si versus John Han and Vincent John Rosales for court number 6. Calling for court number 6, Jaden and Kok Jun-si versus John Tan and Vincent John Rosales. Please proceed to court number 6. Stand-by players for court number 7, stand-by players, Abby and Ron versus Ashwin Kumar and Edra. Abby and Ron versus Ashwin Kumar and Edra for court number 7. Stand-by for court number 3, Hossein and Carol Kabir versus Custer and Edlet Aperata. Stand-by for court number 3. Stand-by for court number 8, Bhaskar M. and Alex versus Ron Marana and JKYJ. Bhaskar M. and Alex versus Ron Marana for JKYJ for court number 8. Stand by court number 7 players, Abby and Ron versus Ashwin Kumar and Edra. Stand by for court number 3, next player, Hossein and Carol Kabir versus Custer and Edlen Aperata. Court number 8, college players Bhaskar M. and Alex versus Ron Marana and JKYJ for court number 8. Calling players from court number 3, Hossein and Carol Kabir versus Custer and Edlen Aperata for court number 3. Calling for players for court number 7, Abby and Ron versus Ashwin Kumar and Navendra. Please proceed to court number 7. Stand by players. Hyuk versus Vaibhav and Soya. The top 8 for men's double level E are at 8, Brian Cador and Oliver Aguilar. At 7, Patrick Nahuamos and Jake Aguilar. At 6, Fernando and Abner Mampayo. At 5, Ian Del Barrio and Samuel Sid. At 4, Tex A and Lauren Juntao. At 3, Evan Toronto and Alex Delisai. At 2, Ines and J.R. Ramirez, and at 1, Erwin Rodriguez and Shane Tuesday. That's the top 8 for men's double level E. Standby for court number 5, players 5, Kapitani and Do Wai Hyuk versus Vaibhav and Soya Kapadia. Please stand by for court number 5. Court 9, standby players, court 9, Tex A and Lauren Duham versus Ian Del Barrio and Samuel Lee. Apologies, for court 9, next players, please stand by. Ji Wei and Axel Quek versus Rev and John Christopher Lee. Again, for court number 9, next players, please stand by. Ji Wei and Axel Quek versus Rev and John Christopher Lee. Stand by for court number 5. Fine Kapitani and No Wai Hyuk versus Vaibhav and Soya Kapadia. Stand by for court number 5. Court number 9, stand by players Ji Wei and Axel Quek versus Rev and John Christopher Lee for court number 9. Stand by for court number 5 players, stand by Han Kapitani and No Wai Hyuk versus Vaibhav and Soya Kapadia for court number 5. Court number 5, standby players for court number 5, Fine Kapitani and No Wai Hyuk versus Vaibhav and Soya Kapadia. Players for court number 9, Jing Wei and Abdel Quek versus Rev and John Christopher Lin. Please proceed to court number 9. Or next, court number 9. Standby for court number 6, Erwin Rodriguez and Trey Jung Lee versus Rocket Tandor and Oliver Aguilion. Please standby for court number 6. Standby for court number 5, Han Pakitani and Lo Wai Kyung versus Fakival and Soya. The top 8 for women's doubles, level D, or 8, Poker Natkin and Cindy Amina Isha. At 7, Tiffany Christie and Grace G. At 6, Gurley Kawakan and Elvi. At 5, Nini Yosakti and Yasmin Lee. At 4, Mayara Chamberlain and Connie Paco. At 3, Rhea Genevieve and Vera Del Trinidad. At 2, Katie and Alisa Madrono, and at 1, Achakra, Bechoy, and Nick Tiago. The top 8 for women's doubles level D. Court number 4 players calling Pakitani and Lo Wong Kyung versus Viva and Soya Kapato. Next is the next raffle draw, and you will win $100 worth of beverage vouchers from here. And the winner for our next raffle draw is Irving Miami. You won $100 worth of beverage vouchers from here. Court number 6, calling. Court number 6, calling for Erwin Rodriguez and Teng Jung Lee versus Ryan Tandor and Oliver Aguilion. Please proceed to court number 6. Court number 4, please stand by. Players Choco, Ketian Stephanie, and Yasmin versus Reed, James Lorenzo, and Yayu Chua for court number 4.